Hi, Scott Krug with New England Low Vision here again at CSUN 2026, and I'm here with Cheryl from LVI.
Hello.
And LVI has got a lot of stuff going on here. You remember from the last time, they have a partnership with Dolphin. And so if you need your computer large print or speech synthesizer or a combination of the two, Dolphin. And Cheryl, what else you have going on here with LVI and what's new?
What's new is this past Monday, we released a major update to our tab viewer software.
Okay.
And the tab viewer works with a couple of our products. One is our MagnaLink tab, and we're showing the MagnaLink tab here with the updated tab viewer. Has a distance camera that you're seeing here, and you can use it simultaneously with the camera on the surface here.
Okay, so what you're saying, it's distance and near at the same time
At the same time.
on the same screen.
On the same screen, which
Whoa.
makes it a popular product for schools, for professionals who need to do meetings and complete forms underneath the camera. So yeah.
So what is this thing here? Is this just a monitor, or this looks like a computer? Is it a computer?
This is a fully functioning Surface Pro. If I just flicked up there, you can see the dock at the bottom. So yeah, this is a Windows computer.
That's email. That's all of your apps. Anything that you wanted to do on your computer, you can do through here.
Yes.
Connect it to a second monitor.
Yes.
Okay, so what else is new on this new viewer? Because I see a word there, two initials. It looks like something like AI. What is AI?
Yeah. Let's switch this around a little bit. There we go. I'm going to bring this down. So AI integrated into this tab viewer software. The cool thing about it is we've got something under the camera. Put your hand back under there and let's see what it says. So if I hit AI, the magic is it's an interface that is easy for people with vision loss to use. You can adjust the interface so it's easier to see. Here we have image functions, and we've chosen 5 functions that are popular for people with vision loss, so we can have it describe short. It'll also do handwriting, which is pretty amazing.
Whoa.
Invoice and OCR. So let's see what it says with describe short. So what it said was text on paper, fingers present.
Whoa.
Yeah.
All right, so let me just ask some basic questions.
Yeah.
I would love for a full 30-minute demonstration of this, but so it can, if I have a bill, can I ask it, how much is the bill? And it will tell me.
Yes. We specifically put in there one called invoice, and that is the intention, so that you don't have to go through all that information. It just dials into what you need.
Then I'll say, when is the bill due?
Yes.
And it will tell me that as well.
Yes.
And if I wanted to write something, it will also read handwriting.
Yes. That's amazing. So yes, that has long been a question for people with vision loss. If I get a birthday card, if somebody writes me a note, if I have an old handwritten recipe, what do I do? Yes, you can do some scratchy writing and it will interpret it. Yes.
Well, that's excellent. And I see that it collapses down. We're not going to do it now. You can fold it up and take it with you on the go. And you can even take your Surface Pro out and just use it as a normal computer.
Yeah.
So all of these things in the MagnaLink tab, one of the many things that Low Vision International is doing, LVI America in the States. And thank you very much for your time, Cheryl.
You're welcome, Mr. Magnifier. Thank you.
Thank you.